Are you using the word very way too much in your English, like very good, very cold, or very happy? Well, it's time to stop. In this video, I'll show you 50 better words you can use instead of very to sound more fluent, natural, and confident in English. Let's upgrade your vocabulary in less than 10 minutes. Let's start with the feelings and emotions. Instead of using a very, try these power words. Very happy, ecstatic. She was ecstatic about her promotion. Very sad, heartbroken. He was heartbroken after the breakup. Very angry, furious, and customer was furious about the delay. Very scared, terrified, and I was terrified during the horror movie. See how much stronger and more expressive those sound? Now let's talk about how things look or feel. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. The sunset was absolutely gorgeous. Very ugly, hideous. That monster costume is hideous. Very big, enormous. That elephant is enormous. Very small, tiny. Look at this tiny kitten. Very clean, spotless. Your room is spotless today. Want to sound smarter and more fluent? Very smart. Brilliant. Einstein was brilliant. Very stupid. Idiotic. That was an idiotic mistake. Very easy. Effortless. The test was effortless for her. Very hard. Challenging. It was a challenging project. Tired of saying very hot or very cold? Try these. Very cold. Freezing. It's freezing outside. Very hot. Scorching. Today is scorching hot. Very fast, rapid, or swift. She gave a swift reply. Very slow, sluggish. My computer is sluggish today. Here are some everyday words you can upgrade. Very tired, exhausted. I'm exhausted after work. Very hungry, starving. I'm starving. Let's eat. Very busy, swamped. I've been swamped all week. Very neat, immaculate. Her handwriting is immaculate. Let's do a quick rapid-fire review. I'll say the very phrase. You say the better word. Ready? Very angry. Very cold. Very small. Very good. Very tired. Now you've got 50 powerful words to replace very and sound much more fluent. Practice using 2 or 3 of these today in your conversations or writing. Which very word do you catch yourself using the most? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your English learning friends. See you next time, and remember, stop saying very and start speaking powerfully.